Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited that I just received May's Magic at Your Door. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just got May's Magic at Your Door box. I'm super excited because this definitely does bring magic to my door. Now, I know a lot of companies are running a little bit slower due to everything that's going on currently, and shipping is running later as well. So I don't mind. Better late than never. Now I have it. Let's dive in. And it does have right there, SheCrafty, let the magic begin. Let's see what magic we're gonna have. Let's go ahead and get in here. I'm so excited to see what we have. This is my new like favorite joy box. Let me move this because I don't want you guys being afraid of my knife skills. So let's get in here. All right. Okay. That is what it looks like when you first open it up. Okay, now let's go ahead and see what we have. And I really wanted to get this. I really wanted this one. Okay, you guys, you ready? Oh my gosh, hold on. I got all these squiggles. Let me move all these squiggles. Do you already see? How cute is this mini backpack? That is simply adorable. Oh my goodness. Now it does feel a little hefty. So I know there's going to be some stuff down in there, but let me go ahead and remove what else is in the box, because we do have our little gold pouch right here for the pin, because I get the gold box. So let me remove that out of the way for now. Okay, so let's go ahead and get inside so then I can show you everything that is in here. Okay, so now that I've taken everything out, that is what the print on the inside, look at that, is so pretty. Okay, so it's all purple with like a lavender, and yeah, so you see like some of the print in there. The whole thing is like that. That is really pretty. Here's the Loungefly backpack. There's these straps. There is the front of it. And then here is his little bow tie. So there's a little bow tie there. It has two zippers. There's a little pouch pocket right there and right here. And then here has the little clock that is in there, as well as the dangle. And on here, this says that it's valued at $75, and that is correct. So there's that item. Oh my gosh, I love that. I absolutely love that. I'm getting into these little backpacks, you guys. Okay, so now what was inside of the bag, there was 3 items that were inside. So the first thing right here is, that is Mickey's shorts. Is this like a pot holder? Yes, this is a silicone trivet. So I can use this as a pot holder or just like a pot rest or anything like that. But that is super cute. I normally right now only have Nightmare Before Christmas in my kitchen, but now I'm going to be expanding it to just like a whole Disney theme, because I'm probably going to be getting other things that would go in my kitchen. So I'm just going to make it like a Disney theme, even though it's mainly Nightmare Before Christmas. But here is Mickey's shorts. That is super cute. And this is $14.99 on here. I got Aladdin pins, you guys. Look how cute. So now I know last month I did say I wanted to come up with a creative way to store my Disney pins, and I have. So if you want to kind of see what I am in storing on my Disney pins, I will play that towards the end for you guys, because if you don't want to know, then I'm not going to show you. But here is Aladdin. Oh my gosh. And this is $27.99 just for these. Let me take the plastic off. Look it, and I love Aladdin. Oh my goodness, those are super cute. So now I get to take it off the wall and add these to it. Ah, so cute. So there's that. And then there's another item right here, and it says salt and pepper shaker. And it looks like it has the princesses, but it is Ariel. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, look, that's what I said. So I think my kitchen's just gonna be Disney theme. Cause, oh my goodness, let me get this out of here. And they're magnet and they stick on top of each other. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay. Okay. Does this have a price on it though? Oh, yes, $20. So this is $20. So we have the, which one? This is gonna be the salt and this is pepper. Salt and pepper. And it, ooh, that's a good magnet too. Did you see that? It like jacked it for me. It said, nachos. No, this is mine. But look at how pretty. Oh my gosh. So salt, and here is the 2 holes for the salt, and that is for the pepper, and they just magnetically stay together. Look at that, is so pretty. I would never have known that that was a salt and pepper shaker if I just saw that chilling somewhere, but that is so cute. Oh my gosh, so they got everything perfect yet again. The amazing backpack, salt and pepper shaker, Ariel, come on, that is just simply adorable. We have the Aladdin pins, we have the Mickey shorts, silicone trivet, and we also have our pin, because again, this is the gold box, so you get a exclusive gold pin. Let me open this, and then I'm going to tell you all about this company in case you don't know. Okay, so our May 2020 pin looks like this. That is super cute. So every month they have their own exclusive pin that they do, and I'm really excited to collect these too for as long as I do have the subscription here for you guys to see as well, because I'm so excited to get this. But yeah, so every month, if you are the gold member, you get this exclusive pin made just for the gold member. Hence why it comes in this pretty gold bag every month. If you are the other ones, you still get the amazing products. You just don't get the actual pin. But if you want to know a little bit more about this company, I do have a link down below. If you follow my link, that link will get you $10 off your first box of gold, silver, bronze, or the one-time magical AF box, or like the one-time box that you can purchase as well. It just doesn't work for the smallest one, which I think is the Disney Discover box. That one has no customization, and that one's $49.99. But all of the other ones, it does work, and it'll take $10 off your first box if you follow the link below. So the one that I receive, again, is the gold box. That is the highest level for the subscription boxes. And that one is $124.99. I do pay for this one myself. They do have a silver, which is right underneath the gold. That one is $99.99. Then they also have a bronze, which is $74.99. So even if you got the bronze and you use my code, your first box would only be $64. You can try them out. Now they have the one-time magical AF box, which I started with that. I did that one first. That was $299. That was a hard pill to swallow, but I do not regret it whatsoever because it was amazing and I was able to customize it. Then there's a one-time magic box. You can customize that one as well. That one's $199.99. And yeah, they do have the best profile. That's why I did stick with this company as far as the Disney boxes goes. They ask you a whole lot of questions, and not just like which Disney movies do you like. They go down to which characters you like. Like for example, I love Aladdin, but from Aladdin, the genie is my all-time favorite from Aladdin. And you know what I mean? So like, even if you might like one specific movie, but you might not like every single character that's in that movie. Then they ask like which theme parks, which different attractions you like. They ask you so many different questions, and then they have a wish list. Every month they come out with a new wish list. You can go in, log in, and you can heart all the ones that you do like, and they go off of that when they do customize your box for you every month, and you can go in and change them. So if you do get something that is in your wish list, you can go in, uncheck them, check new things, that kind of thing, and you're always up to date on your wish list and items that you do like and what you actually want to receive, so they kind of can feel for what to send you, which is amazing. Plus, like, some of these were not on my wish list. I didn't even know that they had. So they go off of your profile and what you put in there as far as what you like and what you don't like. So I am totally loving this company. I'm so glad that one of my subscribers, good old gorgeous Mickey, told me about this company, because this is now the one that I'm going to be bringing to show you guys. I did try others, but through my experience and everything and how you can customize it, the customer service, the products, everything, this one is the one that stood out to me as the winner. So this is the one that I am actually bringing to show you guys. So that is everything. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? I can't wait to get next month, which is now this month, but you know, I can't wait to get that one to see what we get. Oh, yay. So comment down below, let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. I feel like a child, like, that just went to Disneyland just by getting this box delivered. So it's definitely magic at my door, you guys. So if you guys wanted to check out what I did to store my Disney pins and how I found my own creative way to make this, and yes, I did make it. I literally hand drew the outline of Pooh. I cut it out with some saw thing that my man has in the garage, and I made this. So until next time, I can't wait until next time. Until next time, keep a smile on the gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.